Are you ready to upgrade your daily carry? Today, we're counting down 20 genius EDC gadgets on the market that will absolutely blow your mind. From tactical multi-tools and ultra-bright pocket flashlights to the latest AI-integrated smart gear, we've scoured the globe for the best everyday carry essentials of 2026. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a minimalist, or a prepper, these Amazon EDC finds are game changers you didn't know existed. We're talking about space-saving tools and futuristic survival gear that fit right in your pocket. Stick around, because number 13 is a literal lifesaver. Let's dive into the ultimate 2026 EDC guide. Frustrated by temporary fixes and noisy gadgets? EvoDuster Aerisflow delivers smart thermal comfort for everyday breathing, helping you breathe easy again naturally, quietly, and instantly. This portable device uses smart heat, gentle warmth, and airflow physics to thin nasal secretions and ease moisture, without meds or chemicals. Featuring one-tap control, dual temp, live display, heat-resistant nylon base, 40 decibels of quiet, 100 grams of portability, it's whisper quiet and pocket light. With PTC auto-regulated heating, safety materials, and a removable silicone nozzle for clean and swap, Aerisflow provides safe, instant comfort anytime, bedtime, office, travel, or allergy season. Tired of bulky hooks and tangled lanyards slowing you down? The Mchaos Flipzip magnetic mount system delivers a quick-release solution that streamlines phone lanyard setup for fast, secure adjustments. With magnetic snap-on power and one-hand operation, enjoy seamless switching between hands-free and tether-free modes in 1 second. Yes, a super-duper quick release. Securely fastened with a standalone anchor applicable to any phone model, it's universally compatible and keeps a pristine-looking case with an unblocked port. The 60-watt lanyard acts as a charging cable, perfect for travel, hiking, commuting, or everyday carry essential freedom. Need focus in a world full of distractions? You can snap with the Spinnx magnetic modular fidget pen. Turn around, make a decision. An expertly designed modular pen for control, concentration, and stress reduction. Spinnx is a modular magnetic pen designed for focus, fidgeting, and quick decisions. Built with a 3-module system, writing module, spring-loaded ball module, and decision dice, it delivers a satisfying click, magnetic modular design, and reconfigurable modules with 50+ ways to spin. Crafted in a titanium body with ceramic bearing precision, it's a functional pen reimagined as an everyday fidget tool for work, creativity, and calm concentration. What if your desk lamp felt like a piece of space engineering? The Undersky satellite-inspired lamp transforms every scenario with a satellite wing lamp featuring full-spectrum eye care, a CNC-machined aluminum body, 1008, 100K sleep glow, and a premium circular clock display. With dual wing deployment and 270-degree rotation, it delivers multi-angle lighting and stepless dimming to match your mood and task. Designed to simulate natural daylight, it reduces eye fatigue while enhancing color clarity. From focused work to a sleep aid warm glow, Undersky redefines indoor lighting with intelligent precision and calm, futuristic elegance. Tired of tangled cables and bulky chargers everywhere? This is one's smallest chargers redefines portable power with an all-in-one solution built for modern life. When you need fewer accessories but more efficiency, this adapter plus cable plus wireless pad eliminates clutter and delivers serious performance. This 3-in-1 wireless charger with a built-in cable, a 30-watt power adapter, charges 3 devices at once with no extra cable or adapter needed. It combines wireless charging, a magnetic adapter, and Qi wireless fast charging into one compact house slab. Featuring a retractable 80cm cable with dual-tip USB-C plus Lightning, it's compact and travel-ready, perfect for powering phones, earbuds, and smartwatches anywhere. Tired of worn-out cables and messy charging setups? The Volta Thunderbolt adapter lets you make any charging cable magnetic, instantly upgrading the cables you already own. Built to reduce clutter and e-waste, this 3-in-1 Thunderbolt 5 magnetic adapter for all Apple Lightning, USB-C, and micro USB devices revives old cables with interchangeable magnetic tips. With 100 to 20 gigabits per second data, a 16K display, 240 watts USB-C PD, it delivers ultra-fast syncing, stunning video output, and powerful charging for laptops, tablets, and phones. Snap charge done. One adapter, total compatibility, seamless magnetic protection, built for charging, data transfer, and high-resolution display in one compact solution. Sore muscles slowing you down? Meet the PolarYak Yoggi roller, the game-changing modular 5-in-1 vibrating foam roller with heat and vibration technology. Feel, move, and perform better. Designed for anyone who trains, stretches, or simply sits too long, this revolutionary all-in-one modular roller is built on the award-winning patented Yoggi ball design. Its interchangeable vibration ball system and quick-assemble structure deliver targeted deep tissue massage, heat therapy, and adjustable vibration settings to ease stiffness and speed recovery. Use it to relieve muscle tension, improve circulation, release trigger points, and enhance flexibility. At home, the gym, or on the go. Still pulling curtains by hand every morning? Meet the CurBot Curtain Robot, the smart upgrade your home has been waiting for. Designed to fit one. For 99% curtain track, it transforms traditional curtains into an automated system in seconds with easy installation. No tools required. With APP Control, Remote, Control, and advanced AIoT technology, you can schedule open and close times, use voice assistants, or adjust settings from anywhere. Its long battery life lasts up to a year on one charge. CurBot is used to automate curtains, enhance convenience, improve energy efficiency, and modernize any smart home effortlessly. Sweating through summer heat with nothing but a weak fan? Meet the Metaura Pro Wearable Cold Air Flow, powered by micro air conditioner technology, delivering true cooling wherever you go. Producing -7 degrees Fahrenheit airflow and -18 degrees Fahrenheit skin contact cooling, it offers real relief when traditional fans simply can't. In extreme heat, staying cool isn't a luxury, it's essential for comfort, focus, and safety. With app control, you can fine-tune temperature instantly. Featuring up to 8 hours of battery life and a 22-watt fast charge, Metaura Pro is used to provide personal wearable cooling for outdoor activities, commuting, travel, and daily life. Still scrambling to take note? Stop. It's time to upgrade with the Reetle Smartink AIE Ink Hub, your intelligent pocket companion built to transform productivity. In a world of missed details and scattered information, staying organized is essential. With tap to record, never miss a detail, and AI summarizes in one tap. It captures everything instantly. Mind maps, auto-created. Translate 100+ languages instantly. Manage schedules, business cards, and your personal assistant in one. AI wallpapers in seconds, your personal designer. Featuring multi-format import your pocket library, paper-like e-ink reading anywhere, and wireless charging plus a long-lasting battery, Retail Smart Ink keeps you productive anywhere. Step beyond buttons and screens with H2L UnlimitedHand, the world's first video game controller that lets you truly feel the virtual world. Using electric pulse signals applied to your forearm muscles, it controls finger motion while delivering realistic haptic feedback. A built-in muscle motion sensor system detects each finger movement, combining two patent-pending technologies for immersive interaction. Unlike traditional controllers, UnlimitedHand enables users to touch and manipulate virtual objects naturally. Easily integrated with Unity and Arduino-compatible platforms, it's designed for gaming, development, and next-level virtual reality experiences. Ever asked your smart speaker, "What was our last conversation about?" and got nothing useful back? Most assistants lack memory, context, and true privacy. Meet the Ubo Pod AI Assistant, built for developers who want control. Fully open source and powered by Raspberry Pi 4 and 5, it supports vision and voice AI, multimodal UX, and both cloud and local LLMs. Choose from 50+ AI providers or self-host privately. With gRPC API access, Docker apps, infrared control, and customizable hardware and software, it's designed for secure automation, development, and personalized AI experiences. Too many chargers and not enough outlets? The Aohi GAN Plus desktop charger solves it with the ultimate 6-port power hub. Delivering 280 watts total output and 240 watts single-port charging, it powers up to 6 devices at once, from laptops to phones and accessories. The real-time LCD screen and app control let you monitor and manage power intelligently. Built with advanced GAN Plus technology and true PD 3.2 support, it ensures fast, efficient charging without compromise. Clean up your desk and power everything seamlessly with one smart high-performance hub. Tired of bulky dice bags and scattered gear? The Onelzl Nexus Cube redefines tabletop play with a metal sleeve, an infinitely foldable cube design that integrates a full RPG set into one sleek unit. This rotatable D4 to D100 dice tray is minimalist and portable, yet durable and sturdy, crafted for players who value precision. Flip and rotate to reveal every roll instantly, no extra tray needed. It doubles as a Fidget and EDC piece, offering smooth, whisper-quiet gameplay anywhere. A mechanical masterpiece built to last and elevate every session. Progress doesn't happen by accident. You put in the miles, the sweat, the hours, but are you actually getting stronger? The BikeOn CycleClick power meter gives you the answer. This clip-on device installs in 30 seconds with no tools and swaps between bikes instantly. Using chain-based measurement with full bridge strain gauges and a chain speed sensor, it delivers plus or minus 1% accurate power data. Lightweight, rugged, and app-connected via Bluetooth, it streams to multiple devices at once, trains smarter, track progress, and turn every ride into measurable improvement. Struggling to stay locked in when it matters most? The Banala Focus Dot is designed to boost focus and mental clarity with Banala's cutting-edge isochronic sound technology. Achieve your flow state. Built on proven results from Banala's mindfulness innovations, this compact device helps students, professionals, and creatives sharpen concentration and elevate cognitive performance. Simple to use and seamlessly integrated into your routine, it supports productivity and better sleep for a better life. Use it during study sessions, deep work, or meditation to unlock sustained focus and peak mental performance. Still spending 15 minutes shaving with gels, creams, and aftershaves, only to deal with nicks and irritation? The Mchaos Next Generation Razor is reinventing shaving. Developed by engineers and scientists, it features patented rollerblade technology that glides smoothly over wet or dry skin with no cuts or razor burn. It delivers the closeness of a blade with the convenience of an electric razor. No gels needed, easy to clean, and USB rechargeable. Designed for fast, comfortable grooming anywhere, it makes shaving simple, smooth, and hassle-free. Tired of waiting on slow, bulky drives? The BoltEdge pocket-sized Thunderbolt SSD puts desktop power in your pocket. Powered by Thunderbolt 5 with NVMe and USB-C, it delivers up to 7,000 megabytes per second through 80 gigabits per second bandwidth for serious performance. With up to 8 terabytes of capacity, it handles massive files without compromise. Pocket-sized, water and dust. Resistant, drop-proof, and built for universal fit, it connects seamlessly across devices. Perfect for editing 4K or 8K ProRes footage, Managing projects and fast backups, it's designed for creators who demand speed anywhere. Still using a toothbrush that's bulky, harsh, or never really clean? The Movigor electric toothbrush changes that. This truly portable, self-cleaning and rechargeable electric toothbrush with sonic technology and frequency varying gives you total control and hygiene in one sleek design. As a self-cleaning foldable electric toothbrush, it disinfects itself with UV purification every time you close it. With 4,800 milliamps of power and long battery life, it addresses gum sensitivity and dirty bristles. It's used to deliver a cleaner, safer, personalized brushing experience anywhere you go. Worried about germs on everyday surfaces? The UV Liza mobile sanitizer sticker makes sanitizing effortless. This invisible enemy has us trapped in using costly, bulky chemical sanitizers, but UV ELIZA offers a sleek, chemical-free solution. Utilizing scientifically proven ultraviolet C technology, it kills 99.9% of bacteria and viruses within seconds. Simply peel, stick, and slide to keep doorknobs, packages, and drinks safe. Built with a safety feature to protect your skin and eyes, this portable sanitizer gives you peace of mind, helping you and your loved ones stay safe anytime, anywhere. That wraps up our massive list of 20 mind-blowing EDC gadgets. Which of these cool tech tools is going into your pocket next? Let me know in the comments. We love seeing your everyday carry setups. If you found a new favorite, smash that like button and subscribe with notifications on so you never miss our deep dives into the latest gear and gadgets. Check the links in the description for the best prices on everything featured today. Thanks for watching and stay prepared.